The radar. I want to show you that Louisiana, look at this, already so many river flood warnings across south central Louisiana. They already saw big bands of rain today. You can see the amount of counties, or actually they're parishes in Louisiana, and then counties of Mississippi under flash flood watches tonight. But with this many river flood warnings already, and the storm is still about 300 miles offshore. Wow. All right, let's take a look. We've got the winds at 75 miles per hour, so she's a minimal hurricane right now, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected to make landfall about 5 p.m. tomorrow around Morgan City, Louisiana. That's going to put New Orleans on a heavy rain and good storm surge side of this. In fact, we're looking at 9 to 12 feet across southern Louisiana. Again, all marshland about at or just below sea level. We're at the peak of hurricane season, exact peak, by the way, historically. This season's been a little bit different. I think early on in the season, we've seen some pretty good Saharan dust. I think October could be a pretty active month. We've got two other systems out there that we're watching. Some dry air on the left side, we'll call it, of this storm system is going to get us, again, a very quiet weather pattern moving forward. But this is a sinking air motion. Remember, rising air with this storm, but on the left side of it, always a good sinking air motion. That's definitely going to mean, oh, there's the storms out in the far east Atlantic, by the way. What that's going to mean is a northerly breeze stays in place, but also a heating trend in the coming days. 85 tonight, northeast wind continues. And while we hit 93 today, this is just the beginning. We should be stopping at 91, but each day is going to get a little bit warmer. We're going to continue to see a nice northerly breeze at the surface, which will keep dew points relatively low. I mean, we're going to go into the 60s and 70s, but not until probably Friday, Saturday on the tropical 70s. But on the backside of this storm, again, a good sinking motion, and then here's the big high. This ridge stays in place, and that means a warming trend in the coming days. So the 14-day forecast, 93 goes to 96, goes to near 100 by Friday. Then we'll hold in the mid-90s and bring in an isolated chance of rain at 20% for the beginning of next week, and then the weekend of the 21st. But no big rain chances in the forecast. It's going to get a little hot in the coming days, my man.